We're here in Collegetown Plaza in the lobby area. We're going to see apartment 4K, but I wanted to start in the lobby to show you the position of the apartment within the building. It's in a unique location. So we're coming in, that's the mailboxes, the main lobby, and we've got over here is the apartment door. It's right across from the elevator, and also the fitness room is that next door down the hall. So we wanted to show you that as you come in from the 4th floor or main floor of the building, you're entering on ground level, but as we go into the apartment, you'll see this is above ground for the window because of how the apartment is positioned in the hilly part of the building. The kitchens will always be on the inside as you come in. So here in the K-line apartment, it's on the left. You can see that refrigerator. There's the microwave above the sink. There's the sink and sprayer, the stove and oven, and your cabinets and drawers. We've got a unique feature in this apartment we'll look at in just one sec, but let's take a look at the bathroom first. The bathroom is opposite the kitchen, so you can see it's the same bathrooms we've seen in the other units here in the building. You've got that shower, the standing tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity, and the toilet. Okay, let's go take a look. Now, because we're on that lobby level and we're right by the elevator and the fitness room, this apartment has an extra feature that's unique to this and just a couple of other apartments on this floor. We have a sliding door between the kitchen and the room. We'll go on in and I'll get the door shut so you can see what I mean. So here's the main part of the apartment. Just like the other units here, we've got that dining table and chair. There's the full-size bed, the window, it's got an air conditioner unit in it, the desk and chair, the bookshelf, the dresser, and that nice closet over here. Okay, so you can see that's where the kitchen is over here, but we have this sliding door. That's a unique feature in this apartment. And again, just a couple of apartments on this floor, the lobby floor. So that gives you an extra sound barrier or noise protection from the hallway in case you're worried that there might be some extra noise from being on the hallway level or the main lobby level. You've got that door to shut between your room and the kitchen and the hall. So that does give you that nice extra layer of soundproofing here in this apartment. So we think that's a nice unique feature here in apartment 4K. Now remember, we came in from the lobby level. Let's go take a look out the window. And you can see we are above ground level over here. Collegetown is in a hilly area, so we've come up and we're above ground. Let's take a look down. You can see we're several floors up. So that's a look. So we still get some nice sky here. Collegetown is a busy neighborhood, so we've got buildings all around us on all the sides. This window on the right opens. You've got the air conditioner in here. So again, this is Collegetown Plaza 4K. We're off the lobby level near the elevator and the fitness room with that extra door between the room and the kitchen area. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road here in central Collegetown. And this building is just 1 block from campus.